Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR group. So today the reason why there is no live trading video is because it is a 6-hour video of nothing. So technically it would have not been a good decision to actually edit and show nothing about the live trade. But however, I'm going to explain to you as to what were the situations over here on our account and what we did so far. So firstly, I want to tell you there was a big blunder early in the morning. At 10 o'clock, I started my live trading session and I told people that we are going to buy above 35,000 in the future. And, for my, luck over here, my orders actually got rejected because the basket order did not have enough margin. Now, of course, it's very stupid, but, I want to tell you that I don't want to invest a single rupee on this account, and I want to grow it exactly the same way how it was right at the beginning. So I stuck to my rule of not infusing the funds, and then we started taking caring of the other trades. So then eventually what happened was we took a hedge of 34,000 put and 36,000 call. So the head suddenly started moving on the downside. So I had to book some losses there. But however, there is an open position that I've kept for Monday that is 35,200 call with a little notional loss of 600 rupees. And I want to tell you why. Now, if you just go ahead and see Bank Nifty for the entire day, Bank Nifty after the first candle sell off, it tried its level best to go ahead and recover from the bottom. So there was a short covering activity over here. So what I did was, as soon as when I saw this 36,000, getting sold off and then 30,000 being bought, so this activity clearly presents at 240 and 245 the activity of FIIs who are planning to pull this up. Now, if you just go ahead and understand, a lot many things that are happening with the global indices, over here you see they're already in positive and they are trying to move themselves up. So with this in mind, what I did was I did tell my people as well to go ahead, take a position as per their discretion. And as per my discretion, I took, somewhere around a 200 quantity at a price of 292.48. And, literally, there were these instances where I was thinking whether or not should I square off, because I think my total P&L was showing somewhere around a positive of 3,000, couple of minutes before the market actually closed. But then I stuck to my analysis over here because this kind of short covering after 230 literally gives a direction to the market, and this direction clearly says upside. Now, why do I have that notion? So remember this, that if Bank Nifty had to go down, okay, if it had to go down, it had to go below 35,000 and then somehow stay below 35,000. But we have already seen that 35,000 has been, a very big of, a point of contact to wherever that index, whenever it opens at this particular area, it spikes. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking at a gap up opening of somewhere around 35,300 or 35,200, and that 100 points will easily go ahead, give my option somewhere around 100 to 200 points in money. So I think by the opening of Monday, I might be able to close in green. But however, things can go sideways as well. The reason why I've kept it naked is because I have a maximum loss calculation that I had for the day at 220. So that would be the same that would be applicable for here. So if we open gap down and if the price is coming somewhere around 220, I will square off this position and manage it accordingly. So those were the things over here in the live trade. I want to apologize for not posting. Of course, you will thank me if that is a 6 hours of nothing. But however, there were a few mistakes that I've made, and I hope you understand them as well, to calculate your hedge, margin limits, so that whenever there is a position here, you won't miss it. So if I would have taken a position here, I would have finished my trading completely by 10:40 with somewhere around 5 to 7,000 in profit. But then I was stuck for the entire day under the same range, and then I decided to take it at the bottom when it started giving rejection at 35,000. So this is what it is for the day. I hope you understand where and what we are trying to do and what is our purpose. Remember, this is a salary account, and my objective is to not to infuse funds, but who knows, on to the current circumstances, what happened today. I might even consider adding a few, a couple of thousands, depending on what happens on Monday. So with this information, I thank you so much. There were also a couple of questions that people had is there a reason why you're not showing SOT? The reason why I'm not showing SOT is we still have open positions, and it's technically a swing. So, I might just give the fruit from the tree directly, if I give you the status of this, because, it can open tomorrow for the carry as well. No harm in that. But however, I wanted to keep it discreet and, completely within our sense of the group, the prime member group that I have. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I will be coming up with a learning video over the weekend about how order flow works, and what do I look in the order flow that actually gives me a bit of an idea to go ahead and buy. And why was there an aggressive buy from my side when I saw this 29,000 lots that have been bought at 240. So with this information, I leave you for the day. I wish you have a wonderful weekend. Do take care of your loved ones. I love you all. See you again on the next fascinating video. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye for now.